is Jen with Mother Time. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. I'm so happy you're here. Let me give you a peek at what I'm going to be making today. Look at these darling firecrackers. Are they not the cutest? I love the way these turned out, and these look like something you would see at a craft show and definitely spend a lot more money on than what it costs to make these. You guys, these are gift box tubes from Dollar Tree that I covered with scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby and added some nautical rope from Dollar Tree. So fun and easy to make. I cannot wait to show you how, so let's get started. To begin, I picked up 3 of these gift box tubes from Dollar Tree and then 2 sheets of the Star scrapbook paper and 3 sheets of the red and white scrapbook paper from Hobby Lobby. I removed the top of the gift box tube and placed the bottom on my red and white striped scrapbook paper, measured it out, and then cut out the sheet of scrapbook paper with a rotary cutter. I also like using a ruler to keep my line straight, but then also making sure that I am cutting the paper evenly. I'm going to add a coat of Mod Podge to the bottom of the gift box tube and then wrap my scrapbook paper around it. I found it easiest to wrap the tube with the scrapbook paper by holding it up straight and then wrapping it around like a hug. Once I went all the way around the tube, I applied a coat of Mod Podge to attach the excess scrapbook paper. I then set this aside to dry before applying the top coat of Mod Podge. I used the top of the gift box tube to trace out a circle and then I cut it out. I did have to trim it slightly so it would fit snug, and then I added a coat of Mod Podge to the center of the gift box tube and added my circle. Then measured the rim of the gift box tube and went over an additional ½ inch so I had excess scrapbook paper to tuck into the center. I cut the scrapbook paper again using a rotary cutter and ruler. I then added a coat of Mod Podge around the rim and wrapped my scrapbook paper around it. I then added a little Mod Podge to attach the flap. And now I'm going to take that excess scrapbook paper and tuck that inward. And now I will set this aside to dry and add a coat of Mod Podge to the bottom. I will then add a coat of Mod Podge to the top of the gift box tube, and I will repeat these steps with the other 2 gift box tubes. Once I have all 3 gift box tubes covered, I'm going to distress it a bit with FolkArt wax in the color Antique Wax. Lightly brushing on the wax in spots and then wiping it off with a paper towel to give it a distressed look. Next, I am making a little tag to attach to the firecracker. So I'm using my little tag maker. You could buy pre-made tags as well, and I'm going to write boom on it. I then brushed a little bit of the wax on top of the tag to give it a distressed look too. Next, I cut 3 7-inch pieces of nautical rope to attach to the top of the firecrackers. I attached the nautical rope to the center of the firecrackers with hot glue. And this is how they look. They are so cute individually, or you could group them together like I do. I unraveled a piece of nautical rope and then wrapped it around the firecrackers and made a chunky knot. I then attached my tag using a piece of the unraveled nautical rope and attached that to the firecrackers. I also decided to trim the nautical rope in the front, so I just had a knot. And look how cute these turned out. Thanks guys for spending some time with me today crafting. I had so much fun sharing this with you. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this, and I will see you guys in the next video.